Let's dive in and paint a penguin today. What color penguin are you going to paint? Take that color and paint an oval in the center. This is the part that's going to separate the penguin's tummy from the rest of his body. And now you just get to fill the outside area in. Paint those feathers whatever color you want. And our next step here is to add that little widow's peak that penguins have. You're just going to paint a tiny little notch right in the center of his forehead area. Now it's time to paint the beak. You're just going to go directly below that little notch in the oval and paint a downward facing triangle in orange. And you can't forget to paint those little feet. Now it's time to paint the eyes. Super simple and super cute. To get the perfect dot, we're going to take the back end of our paintbrush and we're actually going to dip it right into the paint. And then we're going to poke those little holes wherever we want those eyes to go. While he's super cute now, I think it's time we add a little bit of shadow on that belly. I actually just touched the white food coloring while I still had a little bit of purple paint on my brush to get a nice tinted color. And voila! Is he the cutest little cookie you've ever seen or what?